Is this MERACH rowing machine worth it? That's what I'm going to be talking to you about in today's video. First thing, that's pretty cool, right? It's very lightweight, but you can store it upright like that. That makes it even more compact. Maybe you're using this in an apartment or something, but it's also lightweight. A lot of the rowing machines, they can be extremely heavy. So this one is definitely easy to use. As you can see right down here, very easy to slide your feet in and then just use the Velcro to lock them in place. Very smooth rowing base. Like it just feels super smooth. So that's really nice, as you can see right in here. Now, when it comes to up here, there's going to be two different models. We have the manual model. So this is where you adjust your resistance up here. But if you have the digital model, it'd be more of a digital read. That's very cool. Up here, we just have the regular display, but you might have the digital display, like the larger screen display. And either way, you are going to be able to see distance, calories, time, all that kind of stuff. And then the rowing is just very smooth, dude. It just feels really good. Super smooth. And I've used a lot of different rowing machines at the gym. Just easy to adjust and just a very smooth row. You never feel any sort of weird clickiness with that. The resistance is very smooth as well. But the other thing that might factor into if this is worth it is MERACH is completely blowing up right now. And they have like an app ecosystem similar to like Peloton and some of those others. But their app, first of all, it's high production value, real classes by real like trainers, real instructors, but there's no fee for it. Like a lot, like Peloton, you're paying like a monthly fee. The equipment's really expensive. This equipment is extremely affordable and the app itself is free. So you get tons of different classes. If you get one of the digital rowing machines, your app can actually hook up with the rowing machine and the instructor will automatically up the resistance on the machine as you're rowing, going through like the different settings and stuff like that. But I can't say enough good things about it. To me, it's beyond worth it, especially if you're looking for a healthier lifestyle. So MERACH is completely blowing up. Any MERACH thing you find, I say get it. Highly recommend.